VICTOG.com.
Now we are entering into the next topic of this chapter, that is conversion of solid from one shape to another. Conversion of solids from one shape to another. That is the next topic of this chapter, surface areas and volume. Conversion. Conversion of solid from one shape to another. One shape to another. This is the next topic. In this topic, we have changing the shapes of solids from one to another. This type of problems are involved here. So, the first question is, a cone of height 24 centimeter and radius of base 6 centimeter is made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. So, the question here is, there is a cone which is made up of modeling clay. Radius and the height of the cone are given in the question, and this cone is reshaped into a sphere. We have to find out the radius of the sphere. The method we are adopting here is, find the volume of the cone mentioned in the question. Find the volume of the cone. This volume will be equal to the volume of the sphere which is reshaped. Equating the volumes, we can find the radius of the sphere obtained. So, first of all, we have to find the volume of the cone. For the cone, measures are given as 24 centimeter high, means h is equal to 24 centimeter, and radius of the base r is equal to 6 centimeters. Now we can find out the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone. Formula for finding the volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is equal to 1 by 3 pi into r square. It is 6 into 6 into 24 centimeter cube. Here also no need of giving the value for pi. 3 and 6 get cancelled. It is 2. So we are getting the volume as 2 into 6, 12 into 24 into pi centimeter cube. Write the volume as it is. Now, write the formula for finding the volume of the sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have to find out this radius of the sphere we have to find out. So, equating these two volumes, volume of the cone will be equal to the volume of the sphere. Now, we are equating these two volumes. 4 by 3 pi r cube will be equal to 12 into 24 into pi. 12 into 24 into pi. Now, pi and pi are cancelling. That is why we are not giving the value of pi. Now, the remaining is 4 by 3 r cube is equal to 12 into 24. Therefore, r cube is equal to 12 into 24 divided by 4 by 3. That is, r cube is equal to 12 into 24. We have to multiply with the reciprocal of 4 by 3, which is 3 by 4. Now, this 4 and 24 get cancelled, which is equal to 6. Now, r cube is equal to 12 into 6 into 3. That is 72 into 3, which is equal to 216. We are getting the value of r cube as 216. Now remember, 216 is the cube of 6. 6 cube is equal to 216. So instead of 216, we can write it as 6 cube. R cube is equal to 6 cube. Therefore, r is equal to 6, which is the required radius of the sphere. So we can conclude it as radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere is equal to 6 centimeter, which is the radius of the sphere. So the method here is, first of all, find out the volume of the cone. Now find the volume of the sphere. We have to write the formula as it is. Now equating 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of the cone, which is 12 into 24 into pi. Pi and pi get cancelled. From this we are getting the value of r cube, which is a perfect cube. 216 is a perfect cube. That means r cube is equal to 6 cube. Therefore r is equal to 6. That is the radius of the sphere which is required. So conclusion is radius of the required sphere is 6 centimeter. Okay.